Good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? We have blue, we have purple with glitter, we have a deep black with glitter, and we have champagne chameleon mixed with yellow mica. We're actually not going to be doing a whole bunch of projects today. We're just focusing on the large Discworld piece that I started work on. Wow, just 2 days ago, really. So maybe 3 days. So the most recent layer, the clear layer that I used yesterday to cement everything in place, is done. We had a little bit of floating, but not a lot. So today what we're doing is we're putting in the sky layer, basically. So let me back that thing up. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna start with the black because that is the oldest color, and I need to start getting it out of the container before it starts to cure. Thank you. Words hard. Okay, so sky layer, or the space layer, or the layer of the beast. I don't know. I'm just making up words. So just going back and forth with the uh, chosen colors. I am using regular craft resin for this instead of deep pour, which is not something I would normally do for a piece this size, but I mixed up enough that I'll be able to get the coverage I need. But also because if I tried to use deep pour with this, everything would completely blend together. And it would not look like a sky at all. It would just look like basically a blob with various gradients. So trying to use the lighter colors to corral the darker colors, basically. Just get everything positioned where I want it. Hopefully I'm expecting there to be a little bit of bleed through, but I don't want a lot of bleed through. So hopefully this will stay relatively close to where I've positioned it. Moving this to the heat carefully so as to avoid liquid dynamics. Okay. All right. Not closing that up just yet. All right, so now that that's done, there we go. Oh, now I have a bunch of leftovers to find a home for. So let's make a couple more planets. Whoop. Easy there. All right. Okay, definitely you. And you. And where is, and you. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's start with our Baroque kitty. Whoop. Too much. Almost too much. Purple and black is always a good color combination. As is gold and black. And full. Okay. You move these two out of the way real quick. All right, so there goes our blue. All that's left now is the black. Cool. Everybody stay put. All right. So can I throw something in there to kind of blend the layers? I mean, I can, obviously. Cheeky. Okay. I'm not going to push those down. I'm just going to let them sink naturally. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Yeah, I've got yeah. So now we have elements on both sides of the resin that will help bring it together when I add whatever my next layer is. Hopefully at least a little bit of the same color elements as what we've got down already. So that's it for now. Time to get zipped up, cleaned up, and feed myself. And we will be back in the next couple days to hopefully finish off the Discworld piece. All right. Well, thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you later.